These 5 simple tips will make sure that your next long ride is more comfortable and safe. So, you're getting ready to ride off on a long ride that you have spent months planning for. You've been counting down days and have probably bought a bunch of gear and kit to help you prepare for your long ride. Well, here are a few simple things to do beforehand to ensure a better ride experience. Remember to break in your gear. Stiff or rigid riding gear is extremely uncomfortable to use and potentially unsafe. Whether you've bought something new or pulling a trusted piece of kit from long-term storage, remember to make some time to wear and break in the gear. It could mean wearing your gloves and flexing your fingers while you're on that call that could have been an email, or wearing your riding boots while you get that 10,000 step count in for the day. The idea, quite simply, is to use the gear and do what it takes to make it fit better and flex with your body more naturally. This is guaranteed to hugely improve the comfort over long days in the saddle. Number 2. Prepare your motorcycle well in advance. Servicing the bike, changing the engine oil and filters, swapping out cables for new ones, or changing just about anything else on your bike. Make sure to do this at least a week in advance so that you have time to ride the bike and ensure that things continue to function as they're supposed to. Whenever things are taken apart, there's a chance that they might not be put back together correctly. Having the opportunity to allow it to fail closer to home will avoid unnecessary moments of anxiety once you're out on the highway. And besides, components such as a brake disc or pad require a certain level of usage and wearing in before they begin to perform optimally. The same applies to the next item on your list, which are your motorcycle tires. Make sure to inspect your tires and avoid any temptation to extract a little bit more out of that set that has already served you well. Seasoned tourers will tell you that it's always a good idea to put a set of brand new tires before you start a big trip, simply because it drastically reduces the likelihood of punctures along the way. Again, this is something that you should do at least a week beforehand so that you have a chance to put in at least 150 to 200 kilometers on the new rubber and complete the initial wearing in to unlock better performance from these tires. This is also a chance to ensure that the wheels have been installed correctly. Number 4. Pack and mount your luggage a few times over. Now that helps you determine how much you can safely carry in your bags and also that the bags you have chosen actually work well with your motorcycle. Having the time to pack and repack will help you trim down on your list of essentials and make better choices in terms of what you want to carry. Mounting and removing your luggage from the motorcycle will help you get comfortable with safe and correct methods of doing so. Basically, aim to avoid any unexpected luggage surprises on the mounting when you start your trip. Last but not the least, go for a ride. Load up your bike, wear all your gear, and go ride your motorcycle. A bike usually handles differently once it is loaded with luggage, and your control and comfort on a motorcycle can be quite different when in full gear. The only way to dial in your setup and get more comfortable is to spend some time riding and making changes to adjust anything that feels off. And as I mentioned earlier, all these things are easier to fix before you leave from home, and the additional effort invested goes a long way in keeping you more comfortable and safer on the ride itself, which in turn will translate in a far more enjoyable ride experience. If you found this video useful, please share it with a friend who you think would be interested in it. If you have any specific ride preparation rituals or methods, share those with us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.